there's a quiet joy in waking up and feeling light on your feet. Maybe it's the soft song of the morning birds, or the gentle stretch of your hands as sunlight spills through the curtains. But sometimes, that easy movement doesn't come so easily anymore. The knees feel a little stiff, the hands ache when you try to open a jar. Even that gentle walk you used to love feels heavier now. Maybe you pause by the window, holding your cup of tea, wondering when your body started to feel different. If you felt this too, you're not alone. As the years pass, many of us feel the slow fire of inflammation. It's the body's way of saying, "Take care of me." And here's the gentle truth. You can respond without pills or complicated diets, with kind, simple foods that nature has always offered us. In this quiet time together, we'll explore the everyday foods that help your body stay strong and your spirit remain free. We'll talk about choices that bring comfort to your joints, calm to your body, and peace to your heart. So, make yourself a warm cup of tea, sit back, relax. Let's take this slow walk together and discover the foods that help you keep moving at 70, 80, and beyond. You know, food has always been more than fuel. It's memory, it's comfort, it's love shared across the table. Think back for a moment, maybe to your childhood kitchen, the smell of soup bubbling on the stove, fresh bread cooling by the window. Maybe your mother's voice saying, "Eat a little more, it's good for you." Somewhere along the way, life got busier, meals became quicker, simpler, and sometimes less kind to our bodies. We started eating foods that fill us but don't truly nourish us. Over time, our bodies began to protest. Quietly at first, then louder. The stiffness, the swelling, the tiredness that doesn't fade after rest. But here's something to remember. The body is always trying to heal. Even now, even at 70 or 80, your body listens, and it responds with grace when you give it the right things. Inflammation, in simple words, is your body's alarm bell. When something is wrong, too much sugar, too little rest, too much stress, the body sends its soldiers to protect you. But sometimes those soldiers forget to go home. They stay too long, and that's when we begin to hurt. The beauty is, we can gently calm them down. We can whisper to our body through what we eat, "It's okay. You can rest now." And that whisper begins in the kitchen, in the quiet act of choosing what to place on your plate. Fresh over fried, colorful over processed, real over rushed. Food can be medicine, but more importantly, it can be peace. Let's walk through some of the simplest, kindest foods that help ease inflammation and keep you moving with freedom and lightness. 1. Berries, the small but mighty fruit. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, tiny but packed with kindness for your body. Their rich colors come from natural compounds that calm inflammation. You can sprinkle them on oatmeal, blend them into yogurt, or just eat a handful in the morning sun. Every berry is a quiet reminder that small things can make a big difference. 2. Olive oil, liquid gold for your joints. Instead of butter or heavy oils, try a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. It's smooth, heart-friendly, and helps keep your joints flexible. When you cook, think of olive oil not just as an ingredient, but as a gentle coat of care for your body. 3. Fatty fish, the ocean's gift of healing. Salmon, sardines, or trout. They carry omega-3 fats, which help calm the tiny fires inside our body. If you can, enjoy them twice a week, grilled, baked, or lightly cooked. Never heavy, never rushed. Each bite reminds you you're giving your body the strength to move with grace. 4. Leafy greens, The quiet greens that heal. Spinach, kale, collards. They may not look exciting, but they do wonders inside you, rich in gentle nutrients. They help the body repair and renew. Try a handful in your soup or omelet, or steam them softly, with a touch of olive oil and lemon. 5. Turmeric, the golden spice of calm. For thousands of years, people have used turmeric to soothe the body. Its warm color isn't just beautiful, it's powerful. Add a little to your soup, or mix a pinch into warm milk at night. The curcumin inside turmeric gently cools inflammation, helping joints stay supple and pain ease away. 6. Nuts, small crunches of goodness. A few almonds or walnuts a day can do more than you think. They're filled with healthy fats and minerals that keep the heart and joints happy. Eat them slowly. Let each bite remind you how nature provides everything we need. 7. Green tea, peace in a cup. If you enjoy tea, consider sipping green tea once a day. It's light, calming, and filled with natural compounds that reduce inflammation in a quiet, steady way. And of course, it's not just about what we add, but what we let go. Let's be kind and honest with ourselves here. Try to reduce sugary treats that drain your energy, processed snacks that fill but don't nourish, red meats that are heavy on the system. You don't have to cut them out overnight. Just replace one small thing each day. That's how healing begins. Gently, slowly, kindly. Every meal can be an act of care. A warm bowl of oatmeal with berries, a colorful salad with olive oil and greens, a simple piece of grilled fish with lemon. These foods don't just reduce pain. They lift your mood, sharpen your mind, and bring peace to your body. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being present, about listening to your body and offering it love through the simplest of choices. Each bite can be a blessing. Each meal can be a quiet thank you to the body that's carried you through life. Let's take a moment to breathe. Think about how many steps your feet have taken, how many hugs your arms have given, how many meals your hands have prepared. You've lived a full life. And your body, even with its aches and changes, is still your most loyal friend. It's never too late to care for it a little more, to choose the foods that help you move easier, sleep better, and wake up with a lighter spirit. When you reach for those gentle foods, berries, greens, olive oil, fish, you're not just feeding your body, you're feeding your joy. You're feeding your peace. Sometimes the world tells us that aging means slowing down. But what if slowing down isn't a loss? What if it's an invitation to move differently, to eat differently, to live differently? Every day, you have the power to bring calm to your body, to whisper to it through food, "I care about you." That's the real magic of eating well. It's not a rule or a diet. It's a relationship, a quiet friendship between you and your body, one that grows deeper with every kind choice you make. So next time you sit down for a meal, pause for a second. Look at your plate. Feel grateful for the colors before you, the reds, the greens, the golds. Each one is a gift. Each one is helping you move, breathe, and live your beautiful life a little longer and a little lighter. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you found peace in this moment, I invite you to stay a while. Watch another video, take a slow breath, and remember, you are strong, you are loved, and every gentle choice you make today is helping you move freely with grace for many years to come.